Welcome back to the Pint-Sized Biker. Today we're in Alresford. We're in the Horse and Groom pub here. We've just come in for a cola, but we're taking a ride here from Basingstoke. We've gone through Preston, Candover, and all the little roads through there. And it's the second time this year that we've both been on the bike, so we're building up that journey again of Pillion riding and exploring a bit more, which is great because we had stopped for a couple of years. And I thought I'd talk today a little bit about this town, but also riding with a Pillion and how to build up confidence. My advice would be to build up slowly, do short rides, and each time doing a little bit more, whether that be on faster roads or longer distance. And today we've gone a little bit further. And if your Pillion says, as Mel did when we got here, that she could have gone further and she was really enjoying it, that's great. You'd much rather that than the Pillion thinking, God, when will this end? And it's a two-way thing, because if they're struggling or not enjoying it, you're not going to enjoy it. Because if they tense up, you tend to tense up because you're a partnership, you're a team. And when riding down country roads, such as we have just been, you need to be aware of that the bike will handle differently than compared if you're solo. So if you're going over gravel or areas that might be a bit flooded, so slippery, the way the bike will react will be different, because you've obviously got longer braking distances, you've got more lethargic handling because there's two of you on the bike. So if you go over gravel and you perhaps react too quickly, you could slide and have an instant or difficulty with handling that situation. So be smooth on the throttle, smooth on the brakes, smooth when changing gear. It makes the whole thing much more enjoyable, and you'll just build up that confidence and you'll gradually get better and better. So that's what we've been doing today. See how high the water levels are, can't you? Section. Oh, there's the station. Lovely. Motorcycle. Lovely. Yeah. It's a good perk. But in terms of Alresford, what a great little village, or a little town, shall I say. There's a really cool bookshop here, which from the outside looked like it was more of a picture framing place, or just the pictures, but you go inside and there's a load of old books. And it's really cool to see a place where you can get your pictures framed, because in Basingstoke we've lost that. We had it for years and years, but it's gone in the last 6 months. It's a really cool bakery where we picked up a loaf of bread for the weekends. There's loads of gift shops, there's a butcher's, it's a real old style little town. And it's also on the Watercress Line, which is a steam train that comes from Alton, which starts in March and runs through to the end of the year. So we're going to book ourselves on that at some point in the next couple of months, and I'll try and do a video of that, because that's a really cool old style train and an old style platform with a little cafe on it. It's really nice, so we'll get back into that. The other thing we have been trying out today is our new intercom, which is the Cardo 4X Duo. So far, the sound quality in the speakers is brilliant for music, but I'm struggling a little bit getting the balance for the intercom sound versus the music sound. So when Mel talks, I can't always hear exactly what she's saying if the music is on, because it's either the music's too loud or the intercom's volume's too low. So the ride here, I didn't have music on, but for Mel, it's been perfect. So we just need to tweak the setup, either the microphone positioning or the settings on the app. But that will come in time, and I'll try and do a full review on that if there's an interest in people want to know about that. But we've had a great little afternoon here, a little late morning, early afternoon. The weather is brilliant, perfect March, spring day where the sun's out, but it's not too cold, not too hot. So we're going to get back on the bike, ride back to Basingstoke, and enjoy the rest of the day. Hope you've enjoyed that. Give the channel a like and subscribe. It really helps me drive the channel forward, and all the people that have subscribed in the last couple of weeks, I really appreciate it. It's been fantastic, the extra views that we've had, the response to the Triumph video and the other point of view videos I've been doing. Been brilliant. So ride safe, see you on the next one. Talk to you soon.